Hi guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors. Today we're going to do pizza in the Dutch oven over some coals. This is a great way to do pizza. You're going to really enjoy it. It's a great camping recipe. It's so easy and simple to do. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. Propane in that. So guys, what you need for this recipe is your Pillsbury pizza crust dough. You can actually buy the dough has already been cooked. I've decided that I'm going to pre-cook this. I'm going to cook this in the Dutch oven. Some green peppers, I did some yellow peppers and some onion. We did some tomatoes. I've got some olives I'm going to throw in there. Some mushrooms. We've got some pepperoni we're going to put on it. I cooked some bacon that we had for breakfast. Oh, can't wait. And I'm not sure what this is. Let's see, this is originally cooked pancetta. So we're going to throw that on there. 3 cheese and some pizza sauce. So this is going to be quite the pizza. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to preheat the Dutch oven. I'm going to heat it up. It makes it a little tricky to kind of work the pizza, but because I'm going to cook my dough a little bit first, I'm going to preheat it. Just makes it a little difficult then when you put stuff on there, you don't burn yourself. We've got a crazy windy day here in Nova Scotia, Canada. It's unbelievably windy. This is Thanksgiving weekend in October, so it's a little cool. But we're going to enjoy some pizza tonight. So here's what you want to do. Let me put this over. The thing is you want this to cook from the top down, not from the bottom up. So the majority of coals that I'm going to use here is going on the top. What do I got? The 2, 4, 6, 8. That's perfect. So that's going to go on top, and the rest of these are going on the lid. All right, so that's that. I'm going to let this sit for 5 minutes, and then we're going to then we'll put the dough in it, and we'll start to prep the pizza. Just push and twist. And there's your pizza dough. We're going to use inside the Dutch oven a piece of parchment paper. That way we can pull the pizza out. One of the biggest problems that you have is when you do this in the Dutch oven, how do you get the pizza out once it's inside the Dutch oven? Having a piece of parchment paper like this is going to make life a lot easier, trust me. Couple of little leaves there, no big deal, right? All right, let's go get the Dutch oven and get this baby put in. So this has been preheating here for about 5-10 minutes. So we're going to take it over to the table now and start to prepare the dough. We're going to cook the dough first for 5 minutes and then prep it with the pizza. smells like popcorn. Be careful now, you don't burn yourself on this. Whew, it is hot. I gotta figure out how to unroll this guy. There it is there. With my dirty hands. Somewheres. There it is.
Would you stop
Sorry.
moving?
See, probably don't need all that dough, so cut some of this off. Maybe it's easier just to pull it off. You want to poke it with a fork, because otherwise sometimes what happens is you get these big bubbles in it. So if you just poke it with the fork, you'll avoid the great big bubbles that sometimes rise up when you're cooking this. Okay, that's it. We're going to take it over, put her back on. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes. We'll let it go for 5 minutes, then we'll put the toppings on it, slam that in, melt the cheese, and dig in. It's going to be fantastic. Anytime we've cooked this, the kids love this kind of pizza. I mean, you know, it's so engaging, and it's so different than maybe what they're used to. But you got to be really careful. If you're going to preheat the Dutch oven, then you can't really have kids helping you too much around the Dutch oven, because it is very hot. And it will burn, give you serious burns. So please, just be careful if you're having kids help you. This may not be appropriate for kids. So this swirling wind has been a bit problematic. Trying to get the dough to cook because of the wind. Now we're at 9 minutes, but ready or not, we're making pizza now. So. Oh yeah, that's coming right along. It's just starting to brown on the top there right now. Yeah, so it's starting to brown. So I think we'll take this inside, get it ready, and cook it up. Alright, so now it's just a matter of building your pizza how you like to build it. You know, we like cheese, so I'm going to put a little layer of cheese down first, just for fun. Not a lot, but I'm going to put a little bit down. And we've got our sauce here. What am I using today? Classic di Napoli. So might have put a little too much, but still good. Alright. There's the sauce. I'm going to throw some tomatoes in there and make it a little more tomatoey. Tomatoey-er. Alright, so now we're going to put the meat down. Lots of meat. Now some pancetta. This stuff's like ham. Really salty and good. Got some bacon. Now we move on to some veggies. Oh, look at this pizza. This is a meal fit for a king right here. Camping king, that's what I should call it. Oh man. Wow. All right. Some mushrooms. Gotta have the mushrooms. Try not to burn yourself. Like that. Last, we're gonna throw in some olives. Tell me that's not a pizza. Wow. And now for the big part. Lots of cheese. So the question is, how long is this going to take to cook? Well, with this wind, I don't know. It's probably going to take 20 minutes, maybe a half an hour. But we're camping. So life is good. We will continue to have some brewskis and enjoy the afternoon in the wind. Get this bad boy on. Let's go. All right. Pop this on. Just like that. Now, what we tend to do is, when we're camping, what we tend to do is we always do more veggies than that's required for whatever meal we're cooking the night before, because then we'll make omelets out of it the next morning. So I use it for omelets. So this is really, really good. It's nice, a lot of heat coming off of that right now. We might add some more coals to this and let her go. And this is going to be great. 20 minutes, half an hour, we'll see. We'll check it in 20 minutes and see how it looks. So I put more coals on the top and bottom. This wind is ferocious. Sometimes even trying to shoot, we got to kind of pause and wait. Wind is unbelievable. But I put more coals on, and they've ignited and get some more heat down through. But I think I'm going to leave it another couple minutes. Come have a look.
Oh, yummy.
Oh yeah, look at that, baby. So another couple minutes, not very much longer now. This is pretty good. So we'll give it another few minutes. Go from there. All right. Time to release the pizza. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Oh, you could smell it.
That looks amazing. You ever bite into a piece of pizza and have that little skin hangy thing in your mouth hanging down? You bite into this puppy right now, that's exactly what's going to happen to you. So yeah, it's pretty hot. So we're going to take this out. I'm probably going to let it rest on the cutting board here for a minute. So here's what we're going to do. That's the beauty of having the parchment paper in your Dutch oven. You can pull this thing right out and set it aside. This is perfect. Going in. Oh yeah. Looks like it's cooked. It's a little bit of liquid from the sauce and stuff. Ow. Huh. I made a mess, but look at that. Ooh. You betcha, baby. Outstanding. Pizza in the Dutch oven while you're camping. Awesome. I know I'm going to end up with a little hangy thing in my mouth. Oh my God, but I can't help it. Oh, hopefully this wind will cool it down. Mmm. 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 The bottom of the crust is crispy. Oh yeah. No. This is so good. Mmm. Oh my God. You gotta try this. If you're camping, pizza in the Dutch oven, so amazing. Oh, so good. Mmm.
Okay guys, we don't typically eat with a fork and a knife, but this is a little liquidy and a little messy and might be hard to pick up. And Frank, your presentation is like one.
It's not Gordon Ramsay quality?
It's not Gordon Ramsay quality. Let me see. We're not big pizza lovers. Like, we don't eat pizza on a regular basis or any of that stuff. It's not something we order. God. That crust is actually perfect. And for me, I love the mounds of veggies. And they are cooked to perfection. This is really good, Papa. You did an amazing job, as always. So good. You gotta try it. Thank you, Papa.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.